All right. Nancy!
Hey.
Hi. So I'm going to record a 10-minute video for you and for you so that you could have a go-to, warm up the body, get to almost all the joints, and start the day with some stretch and strengthening. Open your eyes. So we're going to find the feet. You can look at them, you can feel them from the ground up, push down into your feet, unlock your knees. There you go, good. And then you're gonna hear certain cues over and over again. Set your gaze forward at the horizon, soft, eyes, full breath. Lift and drop your heels. So you're lifting and you're dropping your heels, your arms are relaxed, your jaw is relaxed, set your gaze, yeah, challenge your balance, sir. Go for 5, added challenge, close your eyes, 4, inhale through the nose, 3, exhale out the mouth, 2, into 1, stillness. Do close your eyes, feel your body. So a little shake up to the lymph, to the bones. Feel that echo. Good. Bring your hands to your heart. Look at your hands. Feel your hands. Unlock your knees, ground down through your feet, friction your hands. Watch the hands as they move in front of you. Let the rest of the room blur away. For 5, go faster. 4, enlivening the hands. 3, 2, and 1. Push the hands together strongly, widen the elbows. Bring the breath into the movement. Pull the elbows wide, keep the hands together, breathe in. Push the hands together strongly. 2 more. So inhale, pull elbows, collarbones, ribs wide. Exhale, push the hands together. 1 more. Turn that into a triangle shape. Index and thumb connect. Send it out at an angle. So you're flexing at the shoulders. About the wall and the ceiling height. Good. Place your gaze at the center of the triangle. Notice the sensations in the body. And then bring an intention, a motivation, something to anchor you into the next 7 minutes of movement into the day. Plant the seed below the belly button. Round the spine, pull through the elbows, breathe in. Push through the hands, empty the triangle, breathe out. The knees are bent, the hips are back. Inhale, pull elbows wide. Exhale, empty the triangle even more. Stay empty in the triangle, fill the back body with your breath. Empty the front body even more. Smooth out the front of the legs. Past the knees, over the shin bones, let the neck and head release. Say yes with the head. No, thank you. Take the hands to the back of the legs, from the ankle bones, up the calves, behind the knees. Smooth out the hamstrings to your glutes. Wrap your arms and hands, in front of your belly. And then cross one hand to opposite rib and the other hand to the other rib, embracing yourself. So set your gaze, ground down through your feet, enliven your hands. Push, pull, inhale through the hands, breathe in. Use the hands to move the ribs towards the front of the body, exhale. Reset, you can switch the direction of the arms if you like. Take as much real estate, but then relax the shoulders. Breathe into the hands. Use the hands to empty, to push, to corset the body. One more. Reset, embracing yourself. Fill yourself up. Empty yourself out. Good. Relax the arms. Yay. Sassy shoulders. No. We're sticking with the legs. You're going to inhale, lift the heels up. Find a balance. Heels up. Set gaze. So some of this is really minutia, right? And we have to watch the mind in these moments of what you're thinking about doesn't really lend itself to being present. It just sort of has a judgment call. I should be, I could be, why am I not? So find the balance, set your gaze, lose the balance, find it again. Breathe in. And breathe out. Yay, from the ground up, fill yourself up, breathe in. And breathe out. Lower the heels down, lift the toes, spread the toes, make as much space at the bottom edge of your foot, and then release. To the hips. We're going to make an infinity symbol, so the hips are going to wrap forward, back, through center, around to the other side. So it's affecting the ankle joints, the knee joint, the hip joint, and we're excavating the inner lining of the femur bone into the acetabulum. Snap, crack, crunch, row. And for some reason going the opposite direction is like, try to switch. I know it's a brainiac situation. Go the other direction. Ooh. Good. Now we'll go up to the shoulders. Sassy shoulders, up and back. Up and back. Up and back. And then forward, like a crawl. Is this a crawl? Breaststroke? No. This is a crawl. Swimming through the air. And then release. Last little bit of the full body warm up. Left ear to left shoulder. Right hand out to 45-degree angle. Left hand captures right ear. Reach through right fingertips. Breathe into the right side of your neck. Unlock your knees. Ground down through the feet. Find that empty on the exhale. No force, but a gentle lifting up and in. And then reset your hand behind your ear and tuck your chin towards the collarbone. Reach through the right fingers, breathe in and breathe out. Hand goes behind the head, so to tuck your chin into the armpit. Reach through the right fingers, breathe in and breathe out. Release the right arm, the left arm, come to the center of your chest with your chin, move slowly, head atop the spine, set your gaze, notice your breath. Right ear to right shoulder, left arm at a diagonal, 45 degrees-ish. Right hand to left ear, captures a line of energy. You're reaching through the fingers and you're gently guiding the ear towards the shoulder. Open the left side of your neck. Like a quarter turn, hand behind the ear, chin towards collarbone, reach through fingers. Notice your breath. Reset the hand behind the skull, chin towards armpit, reach through the fingers, stretch. Left arm down, right arm down, chin to chest, head atop the spine, set your gaze. The advanced version of this pose is to smile. Interlace your hands at the back of the head. So you're hammocking the skull. You're pressing the skull into the hands, but you're also pressing the hands into the skull. So they have like a reciprocity, a little mutual tension. Hey. Lift your elbows, breathe in, that big pull. Exhale, stay tall in the spine, but bring the chin to the chest. Elbows hug temples, stretch the back of your neck. Inhale, press head into hands, widen the elbows, pull in. Exhale, push, empty, chin to chest, little compression to the skull, squeeze out any thinking. Just be in the body as you breathe in. The movement is connected to the breath. And breathe out. The mind is connected to the body. Stay with this round, knees bend, chin to chest, taking yourself on a descending roll down to the ground. Release the hands. Relax the arms. Shake out the head. Yawn, a big wide yawn into your mouth. Nobody can see me, nobody can see you. Squinch the face like you're taking in some lemon juice. And then open the eyes and open the mouth and give your face a little massage. Glide your hands to your shin bones and elevate your spine halfway up. Breathe in. Round your spine, let the neck and head go. Breathe out. 2 more times. So you push into your shins, you lift your chest halfway up, you round down. Come on. Out. Out.
Go.
Sir. Hands to shins, lift your chest halfway up. No. Out. Stand all the way up. We're almost done. Set your gaze. Ground down through your feet. Enliven your hands. Turn your palms forward. Feel the width across your collarbones. Feel the 2 individual legs, left, right, up into the hips, pelvic floor. Lift into your navel center, your heart center, your throat center. Oh, smooth out the forehead. Breathe in and breathe out. Hands to hips. Lift the left knee up. Find your balance. Send the left foot back. High lunge. The back heel's lifted. Both knees are bent. Hip points are forward. Arms to the sky. Breathe in, lift back heel, straighten front leg. Breathe out, bend front knee, bend back knee. So really set yourself up like you're on 2 tracks, right? The back heel is lifted, the front knee's bent, the arms are framing the ears. Set your gaze, breathe in, straighten both legs. Breathe out, let's do a little cactus shape with the arms. Keep the chest lifted. Inhale up, arms up. Exhale, bend knees, bend elbows, keep chest wide. 2 more times, breathe in. And breathe out. 1. Arms up. Hands to heart. Step the left foot next to the right. Release the arms, close the eyes, feel your body. Hands to hips, right knee comes up, find the balance. Step right leg back, find the high lunge. There's buoyancy in that back leg, almost like you were gonna run forward. So there's a bend in the knee, the hip points are forward, the arms go to the sky. Inhale, straighten front leg, lift back heel. Exhale, bend both knees. And then we'll add the arms. Inhale up. Exhale, bend. Inhale through the nose. Out the mouth. For 2. And 1. In through the nose, out the nose. Hands to heart. Right foot next to left foot. Release. Shake out the hands. Shake out the legs like a chicken dance. In and out, in and out. Shake the flesh off the bones for 5. Relax the arms 4. Close the eyes 3. Go faster 2. And 1. Stand tall. Close your eyes. Feel your body. Go ahead and lay down on your back. This is the best part. Lay down on the ground. Bend your knees. I'll come around. You're good. Be on the mat. Bend your knees, hands by your hips. Enliven your hands. Good, you're good. I'm watching you, so you don't have to watch me. Press into the head. Breathe in, pull through the fingers. Breathe out, push the hips to the sky. Bridge pose. Excellent. Inhale, lower your spine down. Exhale, hips up. Hips. Inhale, lower. Exhale, up. So now, keep moving with your breath. You know the rhythm. You're inhaling the hips down, and you're exhaling the hips up. You're inhaling, reaching through the fingers, and your exhale, grounding through your feet. Yep, squeeze the glutes. Inhale, lower. Exhale, up. 2 more. Notice if one hip arrives sooner than the other, on the up or the down. See if you can relax all the way on the inhale. Let the hips arrive on the floor. Exhale up. Stay up. Breathe in. Stay up. Breathe out. Pull through the fingers. Inhale. Empty the triangle. Exhale. 2 more. You got this. Squeeze the glutes. Why not? Liven the back of your body. Empty the front of your body. Last one. Yay. Lower the hips down. Hug the knees into your chest. Rock from right to left. Keep the left knee into your chest. Take the right leg long on the floor. Flex the right foot like you're standing. Excellent. And then let the right hand glide the left knee over to the right side of the room. And then open up the left arm for a spinal twist. You could look up, you could look over your left shoulder. You could adjust your shoulders on the floor. You can feel just the tetheredness of your leg attached to your side body, the compression in your hip, the compression in your spine. And then for 3 rounds of breath, I want you to count out an inhale of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Repeat. Breathing in, count it out, a balanced, conscious breath. Breathing out, matching the exhale to the inhale. Beautiful. Slowly make your way back onto your back. Lay your left leg next to your right. Lay your arms by your side and just feel your body relax. Right knee into chest. Flex left ankle, land the back of the left thigh on the ground. And then use the left hand to guide the right leg over for that spinal twist. Opening up the right arm, gaze up or gaze over the right shoulder. Feeling that big helix DNA shape of the body. The stretch, the compression. The breath goes in, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Repeat. 2 more times. Watch your breath. Count your breath. Balance your breath. Anchor your mind into the rhythm of the inhale and the exhale. Slowly come back onto your back. Lay the legs next to each other. Let the feet fall away from each other. Adjust the body in any fidgets or any way that you need to move so that you can come into stillness. The palms could turn up, they could be on your body. You could go in and out of a couple of choices and then arrive at a choice that feels like a conscious position that you could rest. If in this position your lower back feels strained, then you bend your knees and you place your feet as wide as the mat and you let the knees come in towards each other. But otherwise, you commit to the stillness, knowing full well that in the inner landscape of the body, there's a lot of movement. Adjusting and adapting to the different challenging postures or new little playful dances in the body. And then we get to just witness and sit back and observe in stillness the integration process. And then we even step back away from observing and we just let the body be breathed. Without our influence, without a need to control or to count or to measure. Feel the spaciousness in the body and the mind. To transition out of stillness into movement, you can enliven your hands. Wake up your feet, move your head from side to side. Stretch your limbs. Move your body. Bend your knees into your chest and roll to one side. And gently come up to a seat. If you have a pillow or a bolster to put under your seat, to elevate your hips, spine tall, soft gaze or close your eyes. Invite your hands to meet in front of the heart. Let this gesture be sacred and simple, a way to reunite you with your intentions or your motivation. way to reunite the right and the left, the body and the mind, the inner and the outer worlds. The heart meets the thumbs and the lips bow towards the fingertips in acknowledgement of your divine inspiration, in love and in kindness. Namaste. Yay. Thank you.